Well, hey guys, happy Sunday. I am heading out with Brittany today. We're going over to Home Goods and we're in search of a desk. I'm trying to create a workspace for myself. I normally sit and do my work on my little couch in my she room, but I want to set up a workstation and keep organized. Have my strawberry shake here with almond milk, and we're gonna go. So I figured you guys, I like to bring you along with wherever we're headed. So we are going to Home Goods and I'm excited. Let's see what happens while we're there. Here we are. All right, well, that was quick. Home Goods had no desks whatsoever. So now we're heading into a place called At Home. It's gigantic. I'm pretty confident we'll be able to find something, but then again, who knows? Let's see. Aisles and aisles of furniture. If we can't find something here, then there's something wrong. Here we go. That's actually kind of cute. Look at this little one. So they had 2 desks. That's it. Still looking. This is not the office section, but looks like they have little tables and things. Looks like we might strike out. I'm really surprised. I thought for sure this place would have desks. All right, we struck out. Nothing. Now we're sitting here wondering where the heck we're gonna go. But we're gonna find somewhere, so we'll see you at the next stop. All right, well, we're trying Staples because I don't know where else to go. And everything online, when I try to add it to my cart to send it, they're not sending to my area at this time, which I think is bizarre. So into Staples we go. So they have this little desk here at Staples, which actually might work really well in a very small space. It's got the drawer. It's basically like IKEA furniture. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have doors here. But overall, it's kind of cute. It would be light in that spot, and since most stores don't have anything, this might actually work. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, so we're home. Found a desk at Staples, took it home, and just spent the last 2 hours putting it together because Jess is outside doing the yard. So I want to show you what I got. Here's my new little desk. So cute. From Staples. These 2 gray little thingies here are from Marshall's. It has such a great big drawer inside. I have my Optavia binder and some things there. And I just put all of the little guides and things that I'll need in that one. Bottom one's empty. I did buy myself this so I can schedule and see what I have going on for the month as far as calls with clients go, because I'm very visual, you guys know that. And I did put my little turtle here, and I had this, this was from Marshall's also, just for some pens, and I'll probably put some highlighters and Post-its here. And then I just moved this over. You guys have seen this before. This was the plant that was actually under the window. Actually, you know what? What if I hang this? So here's the corner. What if I hang it over here? Like right up there on the wall. I don't know, because I have this big giant, that's my little, oh God, I pray to him all the time. I don't know what it is, a ladybug or what, but it helps me with my post-traumatic stress from COVID. So this is my little, don't mind my Powerade. I'm drinking that as I'm putting things together. And now I'm about to put together this chair that I got from IKEA. But that is next to the couch and all of this, this is my little she room, and I have some folders here that I have to put. But I thought it tucked it right in there. I just thought it was really cute. And I have the window above it, so I'll get some light. And when I sit here and, talk to my clients and things, I just thought it was a great little space. Plus, I work from home also. In and out of the home, so this is just a really good little space. So that's the wall. I was thinking of maybe putting this dry erase board right in there. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But there she is. And I'll show you the chair in just a little while. This desk was about $100 at Staples. So if you have a Staples near you and you're looking for a little desk, I think this one's perfect. All right, guys. So I am about to put together this chair that I got at IKEA. Really nice. Goes with the room. It's got the gray and a little bit of white through it. So let's put the chair together. All right, chair is complete. That didn't take long at all, actually. It's really nice too. It has, let's pull it out and I'll show you. It swivels around. It has the lever on the bottom so you can raise and lower it. It's got wheels that you can lock and use. And it's got that, you know, that gray that I love, the same as my couch and the pictures and all that. And I don't know, I just really love it. So this is my new workstation. Getting a new laptop. That should be coming in a couple days. And there it is, guys. So when you see me talking to you, as maybe make some videos when I do my scientific ones or as a client, this is where I'm sitting. And how can I forget to show you that I did put my 2 books right in the top. So I can sit here and read. I can do whatever I need to. But these are pivotal for me. Pivotal. If you haven't opened yours up yet, please do. They're absolutely deep and eye-opening. And even if you think you know everything, you don't. Open these books up. In fact, the top book, the life book, that one I find to be way more helpful just for me. But I know they're both wonderful. So just wanted to show you. All right, guys. Getting back to business. So I'm sitting here at my desk and I'm filling out the calendar with everything that I have to do. And I'm just soaking in my little space. And I absolutely love it. So thank you for coming with me shopping and looking around. I didn't do any what I eat in a day today. It was just purely looking for a space for my coaching and for my regular work and things like that, because I normally just sit on my couch with everything on my lap. And this way, I just feel like it's just another piece to the puzzle of my commitment to program. I feel like I'm just doing so good. And I wanted the workspace and I wanted the area to be mine to do what I need to do. So I have everything organized. And I feel like that will help perpetuate the weight loss that's happening. So tomorrow for me is weigh-in day and I'm super excited because I know I had a good week. Don't know what the scale's going to say, but I know I was 100% on plan without any deviation. Nothing. Just totally on plan. So I'm excited. So you will know if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know my morning weight. That's what I do every day. You'll see every day. You'll see exactly how much weight loss or gain I have each week. I post it every Monday morning. Tomorrow's Monday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, why aren't you? Go follow me. It's the same name as this channel, Felician Nurse. Okay? So head over there, follow me here. Follow me wherever. I love having you. Thank you all for sticking around with me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye.